Greetings. I am an AntiSinite community representative. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. This is part 2 of the AntiSinite for President. Ladies and gentlemen, my first order of business with you is this. I promise to tell you the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Protecting the vulnerability, protecting the vulnerable. An AntiSinite president champions the cause of those who cannot defend themselves. We prioritize the protection of the unborn, the elderly, the marginalized, and those in need, reflecting the true essence of a sin-free, God-like way of living as a nation under God. Peace and prosperity. By living in accordance with divine principles and practices, an AntiSinite president fosters peace at home and abroad. Our focus on high virtue and righteousness paves the way for a more harmonious world and a more prosperous nation. In choosing an AntiSinite president, we are choosing a leader who exemplifies the values that make our nation great. We are choosing a leader who will inspire us to live up to our potential, to work together for the common good, to strive for a brighter future rooted in honesty, truthful virtues, and faith. Faith is the substance of that which is hoped for, and the evidence of that which is unseen. We place our faith in one nation under God with liberty and justice for all. Ladies and gentlemen, the path of sin-free living is not merely a concept or an ideal. It is a way of life that elevates our society to new heights of moral excellence and purpose. An AntiSinite president understands this deeply and brings profound transformation to our nation by leading with truth and honest integrity. Let me share more why an AntiSinite president is the best choice for our country. Inspiring ethical leadership. An AntiSinite president embodies ethical leadership, serving as a beacon of moral guidance for all citizens. This example inspires others, both in government and in the private sector, to conduct themselves with honesty and truthful integrity. Restoring trust in institutions. Trust in our institutions is the bedrock of a thriving democracy. An AntiSinite president's commitment to sin-free living reinforces trust in our government, fostering transparency of the truth and accountability at all levels, not hidden agendas, many agendas being framed against the very people who the president has been placed in office to serve. Nurturing a culture of service. An AntiSinite president promotes a culture of service, encouraging citizens to put others before themselves and work together for the common good. This mindset of selflessness strengthens our communities and makes our nation a better place for all. Not a president having inordinate self-interest or concern only for themselves or the rich. Promoting unity through faith, our shared belief and practice in a higher power is a powerful force for unity. An anti-Sinite president guides us to transcend our differences, prejudice, bias, and work together in the pursuit of a just and righteous society. Elevating national discourse in an era of polarization and negativity. An anti-Semite president brings a higher standard of discourse to the national stage by promoting a message of righteous obedience, divine respect, practicing truthfulness and humility. In all honesty, we uplift our conversations and inspire each other to find common ground set upon sin-free behavior. Guiding us toward redemption. An anti-Semite president understands that we all fall short at times. Through our leadership, we offer a path of redemption and forgiveness, showing us that we have the ability to learn from our mistakes and grow stronger as a nation. Defending the dignity of all life, from the unborn to the elderly. An anti-Semite president champions the inherent dignity of every person. This commitment to life and justice upholds the values of our faith and the principles and practices of living sin-free, is the foundation upon which our country stands. Building a legacy of hope. An anti-Semite president's vision for our nation goes beyond our time in office. By leading with righteousness and truth, we build a legacy of hope for future generations, a nation guided by divine wisdom and moral strength. As we approach this pivotal election, let us consider the profound impact an anti-Semite president will have on our nation's future by choosing a leader who prioritizes sin-free living and godlike virtues. We choose a path of righteousness, hope, and renewal. Let us embrace this vision with open minds and caring hearts, working together to build a nation that reflects the best of who we are. One nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, and may God bless us. Not only in God we trust in the anti-Semite choosing to live sin-free. Peace.